Hey, good morning. This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and we just got done with the gutter clean here in South Beloit, Illinois. And in this video, I'd like to talk about roof maintenance and what we can do to extend the life of your roof and save you a lot of money in the long run. So, as you can see behind me, we have a normal shingled roof, but some of these shingles are starting to get that thermal cracking. So you can see all these thermal cracks here, and that's just really because the sun is doing a great job at drying out the oils in the shingle. So if you look into the gutter here, I pretty much rinse out these gutters twice a year, and since last winter it's the spring again. Not very long. You can see all the granulars that have developed in this roof. So what can be done is rehydrating the roof with an all-natural bio oil, and that's going to ultimately give you another 5 years of life to the roof. I mean, although the roof doesn't need to be replaced, nor is it anywhere near that, but it kind of puts the life of the roof on pause, and it just continues to allow it to expand and contract, and it's not going to lose its granulars, because the more and more you keep losing the granulars on the roof, it further exposes that asphalt in the shingle. And it, once that asphalt's exposed more and more, it just dries out even faster, and then at any point your roof could start to shrivel up, curl, and then you're going to have a roofing company out here and say, hey, we can replace your roof. It'll be $13,000. So this is just a helpful reminder for homeowners that do want to be take preventative maintenance, kind of like you would your deck, your driveway. We're home based out of Beloit. We service the Rockford, Roscoe, South Beloit, and Rockton areas. Any questions you have about our service and the Roof Max treatments and how it can benefit you, feel free to visit our website, multimanservices.com, or give us a call at 608-999-WASH.